distance. But however, for your convenience, we have available trunk to transport you to more distant areas. So park rules, no smoking, no flash photography, and selfie sticks.
How's everybody doing today? Are you all good? That's nice. So please relax and enjoy as our fine-footed friends are going to show us their amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participation, and important environmental message. Now, are you ready to be amazed with our fine-footed friends? Alright, to start off, let me call my partner here on stage, Miss Debbie, to welcome our blue and gold mako named Amigo. Amigo, buddy. Oh, so here's our blue and gold mako named Amigo. Now, Amigo originates from South America and he inhabits in the rainforest of Brazil. He is a very responsible bird and he loves to see his environment clean. Now we have here some trashes and let's see what Amigo will do. So first, he pick up the paper, he walks all the way. Second, he pick up the can. Open the bin and shove it inside and now for the last buddy. He pick up the plastic cup. He walks all the way, open the bin, and shove it inside. See, if the bird can do it, why can't we? Right? Always remember to put your trash in the trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to godliness. Now, Amigo, together with his fine-footed friends, have something to tell us. What is it, buddy? Welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Hardy, Tony, Matt, Kyle, and Carl. So macaws are very adaptive bird, meaning when they are surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. And for their diets, they love to eat varieties of fruits, seeds, and vegetables. And blue and gold macaws rank as the 3rd largest parrot species globally, following the hyacinth and the green-winged macaws. So guys, do you want to stay with me here or you want to go inside and get more food? I think they love to stay with me. Still, a round of applause. I need your help to call him. Can you say Jumbo? The other one, say Jumbo! Come on, buddy. So here's our green-winged macaw named Jumbo. So can you wave to the crowd, buddy? Now everyone, can you wave back to Jumbo and say hello? Hi! So macaws have very long tail and feathers that it can reach up to 3 feet from head to tail, with a tail of 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? Last one. Good bird! And as you can see, most of their color is outside of their body and less color is under their wings. Now I'm going to show you his beautiful wings. Can you say wings? That's one. Say wings. And macaws' feet are zygodaxilus, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. So they use their feet to hold on things and climb. Now Miss Debbie here has a crab mat. And she will place it into the plastic basket. And let's see. Everyone, he carefully lift up the plastic basket and get his reward. Now we're using reward system. So we have prepared 2 sets of tests for Jumbo, but we will be having the spelling test first. So we have here 5 animal pictures: the zebra, snake, tiger, camel, and a horse. So please choose one animal picture. What would you choose? Okay, let's have some tiger with Mr. Trump. Now, Mr. James is preparing for the Jumbo bladder, so let's have a short interview with Miss Debbie about Jumbo. So, hi Miss Debbie, how are you today? That's good to hear, Miss Debbie. Now, Miss Debbie, for the first question about Jumbo, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
South America, but I guess you'll have to stay here in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Alright, so Jumbo buddy, take a good look to the picture and what is the spelling of tiger? So first, you pick up the letter T for the first letter. And you pick up the letter I. Good bird. What's the next letter, buddy? Next. And he made a shortcut. So it seems to be too easy for Jumbo. Now, let's make it more difficult. So let's have the mathematical test in addition form. So can you give me two numbers between 1 to 10? How about this side? 1 to 10. Hand sign. So let's have 5. And this side? Okay, 10. So let's have 5 plus 10. So now Mr. James is preparing for the Jumbo letter. So let's have another question about Jumbo with Miss Debbie. And now, Miss Debbie, what are Jumbo's favorite food?
Varieties of fruit, seeds, and vegetables.
Wow, Jumbo loves to eat varieties of fruits, seeds, and vegetables. Now, Miss Debbie, I'm curious about where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu Safari.
Jumbo studies at University of Cebu Safari. Now, I think we're all set. Jumbo buddy, what is the 5 plus 10? Don't play the shortcut, buddy. And first, you pick up the number 1 for the first number. Yes, buddy. And you pick up the number 5. So 5 plus 10 is equals to 15. Is it correct? Alright, so round of applause for our reading mukha named Jumbo. Now at this moment, I need Bulo. As endangered species threatened by habitat loss. Considered as a medium raptor because it can grow up to 60 to 75 centimeters with a wingspan of 105 to 110 centimeters. So a round of applause for our Filipino hawk eagle named Hunter. Eagle named Marina. So white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle or the king of the sea. It has a white plumage from head down to its underpart, and back and wings are dark gray in color. So it can be found throughout Southeast Asia, and it can grow up to 75 to 85 centimeters with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. Now, Marina. And to seal this moment, we have here our flying lorries all the way from Australia. And to make this more memorable, we have here the symbol of love and peace, prosperity and harmony, our group of pigeons. And also our scarlet antis all the way from South America. Yours truly, my name is Chad. I hope you enjoyed the show. Thank you so much.